check out this little IKEA sewing machine. This is a Type E 1001 on the label on the bottom. The instruction manual I think says SY for a model, but IKEA sold sewing machines very briefly. This machine is a pretty nice little class 15 machine, got a metal hook. So I'd say for a portable machine, if you find one of these dirt cheap, they're worth a shot. To thread this, there's a spool pin that folds out of the back, and the thread comes up through a hook here, goes down, under, and then under the tensioner, up around the take-up arm, and then I just let my thread escape me. It's a hook on the clamp, or a guide on the needle clamp, and then the machine threads from front to back. And then as a class 15, this uses a plastic bobbin because it's a new machine. It was made in China. You want to load so that the bobbin is unwinding clockwise when you hold the bobbin like this, through the groove, around under the spring, and then snaps in place. And the machine rotates toward you to pick up the thread. Bobbin winding is easy. This has a pop in, pop out clutch on it for the hand wheel, and then the bobbin winder snaps over. For bobbin winding, off the spool pin, the hook again, and then the button you need to wrap backwards around it so it doesn't slip out of place, and then it winds the bobbin like so.